Tips for all the heads of the shoulders. Front delts. Hold 1 second. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Pwedeng hanggang sa may kilay lang. Hold nyo 2 seconds ha. Side raises for middle delts. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. For rear delts naman. Bend ng konti. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay? All heads of the shoulders. Pag press naman, pag ganito yung press nyo, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Front delts. Pag dito, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. All the parts of the shoulders. Traps. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Pwede mag-bend ng konti. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Yan. For the shoulders and trap workout. Alright? Carlos Alexis, Serena Agassi, do